This is a tutorial on loading 120 film onto the Mamiya 645 autofocus or Contax 645 medium format cameras. Open the film back. With the Mamiya, depress these two side buttons simultaneously. With the Contax, lift and twist the tab on the side of your film back. Use the center buttons to remove your insert. I've already unloaded my last roll of film, so now I have an empty spool at the top. Open the latch to remove the spool and insert it into the lower part of your insert. This becomes your take-up reel. The inserts for both cameras will accommodate 120 or 220 film. To do this, lift the pressure plate on the back and rotate it 180 degrees. The Mamiya insert will be labeled on the back. The Contax will have little arrows on the side. Today we're loading 120 film, so I'm rotating the pressure plate to the 120 position. Open the top latch and insert your roll of film, lining it up with the gear. There's also a guide at the gear to remind you which way to unroll your film. Close the latch, take the leader, and bring it around over the pressure plate. Then insert the tab into your take-up reel. Firmly wind the take-up reel until the arrows line across the top. Your take-up reel only lines up in one direction to prevent you from loading film incorrectly. Open your film back and squeeze the buttons to pop the loaded insert inside until you hear it click. Turn your camera on and press the shutter to advance the film to the first frame. Be sure to set your ISO to your desired film speed. I've also ripped the tab of my film box and put it into this film back to remind me of what film I have loaded. It's a good idea to have at least two film backs if you shoot different speeds of film. I'm using Portra 800 in this back for indoor shooting, with an extra film back here with Fuji 400H for outdoor shots. Having loaded multiple inserts can also keep you from having to stop and load film in the middle of a shoot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please visit our blog by clicking on the link below.